If you're struggling to manage your online reputation, I'm here to tell you you're not alone. If negative reviews are hurting your business, there's a way to turn it around. If you want to boost your Google reviews effortlessly, there's a tool that can help. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Google business profile to GoHighLevel, also known as GHL, in just minutes. And by doing so, you can take control of your online reputation with this powerful integration. In this video, discover how to effortlessly manage your Google business profile reviews, improve your overall online reputation, and attract more customers with GoHighLevel CRM. We'll show you the exact steps you need to connect your Google business profile to GoHighLevel so you can respond to reviews, dispute negative feedback, and generate more positive reviews online. And at the end, I'll even share an effective strategy we have used in our auto glass company to generate over 300 reviews in less than 3 years. So why would you want to integrate your Google business profile with GHL? Well, the first thing and the first benefit is going to be enhanced online reputation management. Being able to manage it all in the same spot that you're also managing a lot of your marketing and advertising stuff, and having the ability to streamline your overall review process. From there, you'll have improved customer interaction and feedback, be able to generate leads with your Google business profile, and then create and manage Google business profile posts. How are you currently getting more Google reviews for your business? If you're not actively trying to be proactive in the sense to get more Google business reviews, then you're really not taking full advantage of this free and amazing tool that can help generate more sales. So now we're going to go through the step-by-step integration process. So as you're here in your GoHighLevel account, you'll sit here in your Launchpad. If it's not connected already, you'll click this dot, which will be right here. It'll walk you through linking everything up. We already have our stuff connected, so that's why you'll see it specifically right there. After that, you can then navigate down here to the reputation part. So it'll go through the integration, it'll verify the connection, and then you'll see the overview, you'll see the request tabs, you'll see the reviews, and then some widgets that you can analyze as well. So right here, you'll see some numbers. And then if you click on the reviews, you'll be able to see all of these different reviews. It makes not just getting the review, but responding to these reviews super simple and easy. As you'll see, I've already responded to all these reviews, but if I wanted to come in here and even have AI generate that review, you can totally have that right there. Send that on, but you can also create your own response as well. From there, it's very easy to be able to take these reviews and share them on social media to help social proof what it is that you are doing in your business. And so from there, after you've gotten a bunch of shares of your reviews, you can go and send requests to all these past customers and contacts. And you can do that either via SMS and text message or email. And you can also create a automation inside of your workflow when a job is completed to have a review link set up. In our auto glass company, we've actually created a QR code with the review request link, and from there been able to generate over 300 reviews in just 3 years. So at the end of a job, we physically have a QR code on the back of the business card that ends up driving people to go leave a review there. Now, if you're curious to see how all of this stuff works, click the link below for a free trial with a ton of extended bonuses on personal branding stuff through Builders of Authority. If you want to scale your business with personal branding and digital marketing and need our help, go join our free Facebook community that's also in the notes section or the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below so that way you can get notified each and every single time we will publish a new video. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.